Hello everyone, myself Moiran. Today's our topic of discussion is collection map. Map interfaces in Java. In Java, map interfaces is present in Java util package. Represents a mapping between a key and a value. Java map interface is not a subtype of collection interface. Therefore, it behaves a bit differently. So, and it also a map contains also unique keys. Gigs the brainstormer should have been why and when to use map. Maps are perfect to use for key value association mapping such as dictionaries. The map are used to perform lookups by the keys. So a map is of error codes and their description. A map of zip codes and cities. A map of managers and employees. Each manager is associated with a list of employees and he manages. A map of classes and students. Each class is associated with a list of students. Creating map objects. Since a map in interfaces, objects cannot be created of the type of map. We can always need a class of extend this type of order and create an object. And also after the introduction of generics of Java 1.5. The characteristics of map. Interface, a map cannot contain duplicate keys and each key can map to at most of one value. Some implementations allow null key and null values like the hash map and linked hash map, but some do not have like tree map. The order of a map depends on the specific implementations. For the example, tree map and the linked hash map have predictable orders, while hash map does not. Therefore, two interfaces of implementing map in Java. Methods in Java map. Interface. Method action perform clear. This method is used in Java map interfaces to clear and remove all the elements of the mapping from a specified map collection. Contains key object. This method is used to map interfaces in Java to check whether a particular key is being mapped into a map or not. It takes a key element of as a parameter and returns true value. So the contains value. This method is used to map interfaces to check whether the particular value is being mapped by a single or more than one key in a map. It takes the value as a parameter and returns true if they are mapped by one of the more keys. Entry set. This method is used to map interface in Java to create a set out of the same element contains in the map. Equals. This method is used to in Java map interfaces to check equality between two maps. It verifies whether the elements of one map passed as a parameter is equal to the elements of this map or not. Get. This method is used to retrieve or fetch the value mapped by the particular mentioned parameter. Such as so the hash code. This method is used to the map interfaces to generate a hash code for the given map containing keys and values. Is empty. This method is used to check if the map having any entry key and value pairs. The set is backed by the map, so changes to the map are reflected in the set and vice versa. Put. This method is used to in Java map interfaces to associate the specified values with the specified key in this map. Put all. This method is used to map interfaces in Java copy all the mapping from the specified map to this map. And size. This method is used to the return number of the key or value pairs available in the map. Dot values. This method is used to in Java map interfaces to create a collection out of the values of the map. It basically returns a collection view of the values in the hash map. Okay, thank you.